I want a car like that, but I have no money. I really want it that bad. Oh come on, that sound effect was not necessary.
Man. I have $100,000 in my piggy bank. I'm going to give it all to charity.
I will steal Dominic's money to buy that awesome sports car. Ha 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 ha. Okay, Dominic has went to go take a shit in the bathroom. Now is my chance. Okay piggy bank, die piece of shit pig.
Hey. Do you even realize what you are?
Ugh, whatever.
Hello, welcome to the Beyond Car Shop. What do you want?
I want a yellow sports car please.
Okay, that'll be $100,000 please.
Here you go.
Okay, enjoy your new car.
Oh my god, this car is crazy fucking fast. Man, I'm going to way over speed limit.
Let's see what's on my piggy bank. Wait. Where did all my money go? Hold up. I know who took it. It was Diane. That's it. I'm telling on her.
So, Dominic told Jim, and Jim used beyond logic to teleport to Diane, only to have this happen.
Oh no, it's Jim.
Oh shit, we are about to crash. Oh, Diane, how dare you use Dominic's money to buy a car? That's it, let's go home. You are grounded for 64 weeks. Now get your bitch ass upstairs to your room right now. Don't worry, Dominic, here's your $100,000 back.
Thank you, Dominic.